Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put a number under a letter in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to put a number under a letter. Click the page, then write anything. Now I write the Y letter. Then select the text and increase the font size to see the letter very easily. Then go to the home menu and select the subscript option. Then write anything to use our number on your keyboard. Now we can see we put it a number under a letter very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.